Are your meta ads costing you a ton of money, but not necessarily delivering the results you expected? You're not alone, because most meta ads actually fail. And it's actually a statistic. 80% fail, 20% will win. But if your ad account doesn't necessarily correlate to those numbers and you're just not delivering profitable results, you're not alone. Don't worry, I have the fix. My name is Chris Marrano, and I have spent millions of dollars on meta ads scaling e-commerce brands. And in this video, I'm breaking down the psychological aspect of creating amazing content that will convert in your ad account. Let's get into it. It's frustrating, isn't it? You're watching your results, you launch your ads, you're seeing hope, and then your performance continues to decrease. And you become one of those people who say meta ads don't work for my business. But over the last decade, meta ads has scaled countless e-com brands, and I have done it personally with a number of different brands using only meta. So there's a key to it that clearly you're missing, and hopefully you're going to get some insights by the end of this video on how to restructure your ad account and create content that converts. I've worked with over 150 brands over the last 8 years, generating millions of dollars in revenue. And there is one key factor. We can do bid caps, we can do cost caps, highest volume, lowest cost, target ROAS, all of these strategic things in platform. But at the end of the day, bad ads don't work. So I want to break down a number of ads, what you should be looking for, and how to start thinking about your product in relation to your customer to create amazing ads. Let's hop into it. All right, so we are in tryatria.com, not affiliate, not anything, no money. This is just a tool that we use because it's a combination between motion and foreplay. So we can do research, we can track ads, we can establish benchmarks. That is what this tool is used for. So just want to make that crystal clear, no affiliation other than I pay for this thing every single month. And so within Atria, we have features and benefits. And what I want to start establishing with you right off the bat is how these ads look. We have callouts on every single one of them. The callouts and the benefits are features about the product, but it's more important than that. And we're going to get into it right here. Dermalogica, whatever the name is. Again, say goodbye to body bumps and reveal smoother, softer skin with clarifying Bacne spray. My assumption would be that is back acne. Kind of gross, but I guess people suffer from it. So say goodbye to rough and bumpy chicken skin. Exfoliates, easy to use, non-drying, right? Those are all benefits. Great, fantastic. But let's focus on this call out. Say goodbye to rough and bumpy skin. If I have this, I just stopped at this ad. Within Atria, we have strengths and learnings, visual appeal, high contrast between the product and container's color and the background ensure the product stands out and grabs attention. Clarity of message. The ad clearly lists the problems the product addresses and its benefits, facilitating quick understanding to the viewer. Guys, we've just gone through only 2 sections. Contrasting colors, bright, not a Facebook blue. So immediately your eyes look at this ad because Facebook, we've all become just accustomed to seeing the blue, the white, certain colors. These are very contrasting colors. From there, we have a perfect clarity in messaging. If your ads do not clarify to the user or to your potential customer a clarity of the message of how your product helps, your ads are not going to work. We all see hundreds of ads every single day, maybe thousands. Generally, I skim over them unless they touch on something that I'm going through that I am looking to solve in my life. From here, targeted messaging. Using the term chicken skin directly speaks to those familiar with the issue. Again, I've never heard of it before, but if I had it, I guarantee you I would have heard of it. Then a product focus. A human hand holding the product adds a personal touch without distracting from the product itself, which is the focus of the ad. I audit countless ads all the time. Mainly what I see when I get into an ad account are lifestyle pictures. This beautiful person on the sandy beach selling shampoo. It makes no sense. First of all, because there's a few different things. The body type of the person in the ad may be aspirational to certain users, but others it may be off-putting because they don't look like that. So you start to risk, will my ad perform because I have this person here that doesn't look like anybody else on the planet Earth, or do I just somehow highlight how it's being used by a human? I actually saw another ad where it was 3 different skin tones, which highlighted that this skin product could be used on all 3 major races, which was a great way of indicating this can be used for anybody, not just a white or black or Spanish or Asian person. It highlighted all of them. If you guys are finding this video useful, helpful, informative, if you like these tools, what I'm trying to accomplish to help you, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe, click on the newsletter in the comments below to join our newsletter of thousands of Shopify brand owners. If you're interested in my team doing an audit for you, click the link below, book a call. Let's get back into the video. Now, let's go into some more ads. So we've identified chicken skin. Now, everyone knows of Native, huge D2C brand. Let's highlight this one. Native's brightening facial cleanser is gentle enough for the everyday use and leaves your skin looking radiant and bright. Say goodbye to dull skin. Don't know what that is. I'm a guy, I have a beard, not really my target, which is fine. But the ad presents a clear and direct message about the benefits, contrasting colors again, orange and white, brand visibility, the brand name Native right here in the center. So potentially, if you've heard of Native before, there's now brand recognition and simplicity. But again, simple ingredients, dermatologist tested. You've highlighted that this has been proven, quote unquote, and there's simple ingredients. Not saying non-toxic, but it leads the consumer to believing that this thing is potentially a solution. Let's find something outside of skincare. Now look at this one. Bunions gone in 30 minutes per day. Ad's message is so straightforward, clearly communicates what the product does. Not only that, but if anybody has a bunion, my assumption would be that there needs to be some surgery or something. This is telling you that not only can it be gone, but it's not going to take you much time, only 30 minutes per day. From here, image fits well with the product, clearly visible in use, right? Person, but not anything other than their foot. Incentives, the incentives discount guarantees free shipping, right? 50% off today, 60-day guarantee, natural pain relief, free shipping. All of those are the benefits or the features associated with this product. Again, guys, call outs. This text right here, bunions gone in 30 minutes per day. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. Supports deep sleep enhancement, stress and anxiety relief, super soft and luxurious, temperature regulation, sense of security, and mood elevation. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. Unfortunately, I have 2 kids, so this pillow is not going to help me, or this blanket is not going to help me whatsoever. But again, someone's suffering, they have a problem, they can't sleep at night, their blankets are too warm, etc. This problem, just call them out. Hey, say goodbye to your sleepless nights. If this is a pain point and a problem in someone's life, they are at least willing to click on this ad and explore the possibility of this being for them. So in wrapping this up, it is key to dig deep, and you can use ChatGPT. Upload all of the information that you've put together for your customers. Statistics, ages, problems. Put your URL into ChatGPT and say, analyze this product page in the description in the product and provide me with use cases in different personas I should be messaging and targeting. From there, dig a little deeper. What are the pain points of this persona that would make them purchase my product? From there, keep digging, identify the true core problem that this person is experiencing, put it into 6 words, 8 words or less, and stick it on an ad. They don't have to be the most beautiful ads. Long gone are those days where production fees are $200,000. You can make ads in Canva with these callouts with your product, just like I've shown you, and they will convert. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave a comment, ask me questions. I'll look at your ad account. Anything you guys need, I'm here to make sure you have the best year for your store in 2025. Let's see you in the next video.